RD made this.
Hey, 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 hey. This is for my bros and the shorties in the hood. Everything we do gonna stay in the hood. Ain't nobody safe, but we love it in the hood. If you're looking for me, I'll be right up in the hood. I live a better life, and I survive. No, I'm not the sucker type. I know what's right, but my back against the wall. It ain't my fault that I'm trying to trade it all to get them solved, cause I'm thinking about the cash. I gotta get it. I made some bold decisions in my life, I don't regret it. No, the preacher cannot save. Just save yourself, cause hatred is a sickness and it's bad for your health. We cannot see eye to eye. I'm your Medusa, so know that when I spot you anywhere, I'm gonna do ya. We gon' take it to the streets. Guess you don't want that. My boys be rolling up while they sipping on that cognac. Cause this is for my bros and the shorties in the hood. Everything we do gonna stay in the hood. Ain't nobody safe, but we love it in the hood. If you're looking for me, I'll be right up in the hood. This is for my bros and the shorties in the hood. Everything we do gonna stay in the hood. Ain't nobody safe, but we love it in the hood. If you're looking for me, I'll be right up in the hood. Hey, this for my goons on the block. Women from the slums and they get it to the mansion. Tell them DNA won't stop. So keep throwing tantrums, I don't care about your actions. Hey, they tryna take my spot. I can put a lot of work in again with passion, but I gotta blame your pops, cause I can't never prevent that from happening. Who let shot to the truth? My style in the
bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom.
Achieve my goals, no ego, dollar can block me. Yeah, the shorties in the hood. Everything we do gonna stay in the hood. Ain't nobody safe, but we love it in the hood. If you're looking for me, I'll be right up in the hood. This is for my bros and the shorties in the hood. Everything we do gonna stay in the hood. Ain't nobody safe, but we love it in the hood. If you're looking for me, I'll be right up in the hood.
He is the man that has brought mansion to gang in a car. A mansion in a car, vehicle. We haven't seen it before.
About your 400 times.
Amen.
Sing it again. Sing it again.
Sing it again?
Yeah.
All right. Then come see number 2 song.
Happy birthday
I know it. I know.
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Junior is 2 years old now. Junior is 2 years old now. Junior is 2 years old now. Junior is 2 years old now.
May God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. Hooray! Hooray!
family cake.
God bless this family. Bless my kids. Bless everybody. Amen. God bless Kofi Aketua Gie. And Zion fell. Whoa, lovely family. The royal family, the king and the queen and the queen family have been coming waiting.
Pop champagne, pop champagne. No pop in my face.
We're not going to do that. Let me have a catch of my last thing.
Hey, no pop in my face.
That's right. Okay.
Daddy, shake it. Okay, we are coming.
I'm in two still anymore. Down in a mansion.
Yes, Daddy. Hey, Papi, Papi, Sam, Sam. Papi, Papi, Sam, Sam. We are going to watch it.
When you're grabbing
Mommy, shake that sandwich. Mama, shake. Shake. I want you guys to shake and then do it. It'll pop everywhere.
I saw one wasn't your love for me.
Mama,
What you have to all right. Champagne, let's go back.
Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Once again, my name, as usual, is Armstrong Poleeno. There you can follow us on Instagram, Poleeno_com, and then follow my personal Instagram page, Armstrong_Poleeno_ there. And then, my cheme bra, kwapia papa na nese. We are going to talk about entertainment shows, and I say, and your my koso Ghana. You name say I heard for be a watch, but only munchimu, and I say, but only munchimu, you be pensem. Na when you munchimu. Make I was a stand-up herbal supplement, and I saw I say stand-up herbal supplement. Drew her 18 plus to 40. We exclusive about this drug. Someone say a drug.
That's right.
Your age is 18 plus. Into was 70 crowd. Stand up for say.
That's right.
18 plus to 40 years. Into say when you're 41 crowd,
okay. Just
basically for 18 to 40.
40.
Yeah.
Papa.
Because when you're 18, now you worry. Into when you're worry, between 18 to 40, no, with me and any 44 so there.
And so
60
oh, okay.
Because you do any in the chemical room, and any pan so union no na o system no and society. But your mom who sa and your money no more are taking into consideration there. I drone. A drone so yeah, cool. And then no my no more afra. And it's you say a jawum.
Yes, the chemicals aya afro no manas nyama ya de foforo no
because aduane edi nyina yare nti akonom na se esama yare dia ena nya aduru a onom ya na echo action but onom under 1 hour time no be hu se e bojuma nti se wa ware na se obi atimi no menye se wa yemre nko a wo nya emre kra obitimi ato na obebo adwuma wanom bi wana sana watwaso ena show no pack and they have cash and cash. Papa,
power. Ya fronto. Papa.
Na then I work at Poleeno Multimedia for.
Bra penye mechi obi bia Nyankopon shiro bia no Nyankopon nye obi akese.
Omuso omufro omunyam.
Sesenti.
Omuso number no de bia would see.
Me
na de don little number na tu dwasa.
Me dey na me ta use mobile money dey no.
Okay. It is a mobile money
dey and me meeting dey.
Ba WhatsApp dey
I found tu dwasa. And on pardon dey meeting the WhatsApp and the personal numbers what to jam na bibie dey mati my friend in a professional. Mo friend so a mo sabe come papa.
Na me kai wo say na watching nyoma bebre na course so yeah papa Rev Obofour AP sir. So ho a or your birthday Emma ni mani me.
That's right.
2 years and 6 years.
But I won wedding.
I won wedding. You are now a drama.
So what I say.
Now her wedding I say me invitation me cool.
Birthday no.
Birthday no.
That's right.
A birthday cake. A man crab you know.
Yeah.
But me cool be no.
That's right.
And your mom and who yen. Me who say papa nyame shira.
That's right.
Me who cars. Me who achede.
Emu awodo.
Me who ska.
That's right.
You can say dollars. You can see this.
That's right.
Me who ni nyina bi.
That's right.
Echire kra no. Ye coffee no. Say na cars a you sign up cars be 50 a me ka say cola nim ne ye coffee no.
That's right. There's a car go on.
There be a man say emu half na dey koi.
Sir,
emu cars e goofy no.
Iron boy.
Na say a birthday nti ya nkasa ye be issue of like it to normal.
See them crowd the enti no.
Normal
cars na mo dey buy na enkuramu
cars no.
Ane ne Bugatti. And a sports cars ne ba ku bi ne kwa friend say.
Musu cars.
And ye di musu. Ye di musu bi kwam. Na car ye na wa.
Ti di na o.
Owo ni saka ne.
Debi bere wo.
O si ma wo da. Epem kura abo.
Enyo hwe. Can I think send a boy around $500,000, $500,000.
That's right. Car it in my direction. I said 10 left. Now don't start to hold. You are not holding the steer. You are just like this. 10 left. Now can't 10. Right now 10. Go straight. Now can't go straight. Break. Now can't edge. Scared there.
Minim say kind of pictures no. Yeah, bed drop your video no so nti ye din komo nyina minim say pictures no e da so and I say video say da so now we say yeah we are talking about car. Yeah car ye car. Pacho
Davio now person say me dey the crop
Davio.
And I chest.
Me say yeah.
I say I see carry me nim say no Poleeno.
For say yeah car.
Yeah car. There's a car. Your cars are your difference. Your car be what? What's back here? Car no credit can do what him. Boom.
Wolf gang be catch you.
Nah, yes.
Car be what? Me who say we say nyame timi show bia. At least o dey want me and Toby Crow so timi tenebim.
That's right.
Yeah. Say utimi etnas obi I think say ye could roof you know. One of the chief drivers in Bahoka said
that's right.
Car na otwi no enti no ne kran timi gye no ho
sa
ondidi kra
no one man
car na wotwi no oyoki
sa hoto masa when me say ahokire kran timi man timi yakese
David
pressure enti ma wo ye nema bi kura na ensisi so ade ye wo de akura no ade ye wo de hien kura enti no ye je fi mitem kana asan das
me come sure go ni come afọ
so what I say skani tia na so a wetia no nka say boss wetia me wetia wa oh yeah oh sorry what's name masikani ni sorry
me come sure
so what I say enti sika die me mpa boni so obie nyam what must say? I don't know no pressure. Ni se bi hienti no. I the pressure can go say.
Yeah. Na me
Uni me say sebi ebia obi wo ho na nyankopon che no ngosra kakra no se bibi ofi no sika nni ho a na hwe ni prechi otim boti sika force and onye tu kwan ba no hu se saa ade no enye ne saa so what I say
undru ho a
okasa nko ena undru ho so a one ye nko the Rev Obofour ye ne bebrebe gina waka say enhwehwe animu ena de oye no ena cars bebre wo de ye den ena ye we wo so utu we ompabo anya ba akofe
I come sure
what ompabo to red what to green what to yellow what to see level no sanu so yakopon tu nsem ema udum pempensuo bi a enema bi wo ho abeto egu ho cars a be hatagu egu fi that means so nya adoyo
utwa no utwi ne
na watu wo se na tale red opese otena ka red she yellow bi opese otenam se na wo she watale a wo pempabo combination no ono so ne de cars bi wo fie opese osifie won se skafo no obi a wo ne de a se bi onya mane obi wa ne de cars bi hokra ono ankasa kwansi fi but cars no bu so ani di fi obesi fi bebre obesi schools ni ade ono de ne kra epe no eno wo skani bi so ono no pese o gini din bibia obeya manage din bia masa obeye kwan bi obefa so obegini din bia obeye ono ne die no ni die din je obo ni din sa na ne kra hwan den ato obi su de ka obi de fie obi su de onkasa beto ye dusted obi tuma sha tare simple singlet
nti de odie ye wono na
wa eden wa ye na me I maintain ni pa no
David
what must say yes see
we you tie be ka u
ye be ka
de obi ye
na se bi producer omo fanto omo adwene mu se mankubunu ye ntobo ye den enkoso de abre ene yete nti se bi wi ade na nim se de wo ye no wa ankasa wo mu no nim se de wo ye no nokrodie mu na wo ye nko ade a asa forget obi a wo ya on be kan wa sem later kon ba badwane
okre
di bre na wo no on be nya ankom wo
na wo
nanso ye be criticize ya de on beto Rev Obofour Nyankopon sha ya do ye oye
na me say ka say ne bass no
that's right jeje fantastic
etufie ne de na mabonte enye ka o etufie a ne de na street
how say sen ye fie bathroom room ise bi
say ahaya
TV ni ade
your bedroom I we betimi akodem
that's right
ye pia ye betimi akodware
that's right
ye kodidi ye beko kitchen akoyi nsu anom ye pese ye hwe TV ye behwe and see a friend say what be fie mboa
that's right
nti se wura kam na wasori anopa utimi kodware
ewo kanim my Jesus
utimi ko ye breakfast ewo kanim
dinner
nyina
ewo kanim
na we are what dad John ho na wo
swimming pool
show TV
ewo kanim TV wo kanim
we are ne de kumekra na
se fie wo kam
packet cars awo kam
dabi
say efie ni
packet car dabi asem dia wo kan na wasusu aka Poleeno as asem wo kan bi ka ho too much car na nkasa wotimi san packet car
ewu
ene se ye nsi fie
ena me ka say eye
fie ene nsi kan wa to kan fie to nanti
enye car
wow modern world
like 6 billion if you see as 1 billion betimi fie
Poleeno
2 billion betimi fie
o say
3 billion betimi
sikan o say Obofour ne bass no o say say
6 billion and a billion
Ghana cedis and
billion cedis
Ghana cedis
100 and I think $50,000 as $130,000
Obofour are you cool
around
na ko ma hwane won ko ma
but Israel no me won say adon no oye no
that's right
e ka ho
yeah
Bible say omamu won shira chen oje the more you give no and the more odwen omo a omu ni bi ho no na ya mi shira omo because onim so the man wa What the beya doyama naso. Ne mebia omuni biso.
That's right. When you say as a Christian, Christian there's law. I was say upesu dia there's law so
yeah.
Salvation e won dey. Obi obetuma kwaso you Christo ni paso nye yeda no dia kowu. Obedi hia sa.
I know the mindset na.
Mindset. Be a giver.
Yeah.
Giver never lack. If you want to be a billionaire, unless you give, the more you give, the more you receive.
No crepa.
Ope say, o Christo ni, ope so ye. Partnership. When you partner with Christ, assurance to be rich, it's assured.
Blessed assurance.
Yes.
Jesus.
When you be a won't give it, you don't give. Give a seed. I will sow. Na mini am na fefe na ye branches.
Na ye fe.
What I say? Nti obi a won't give you aso na o blame Nyankopon. Nyankopon de na mafefo ye. Hwe source no. They are given, they partner with Christ. They make sure say see the Bible command school so he partner. You see, sorry, you crusade. When you say crusade, you the tent. You give for the tent. No, give you
sorry, no,
sorry. No, who say farm and get and I'm sorry for and I farm no. Oh, yeah, then.
Tobo
na hwe nshira obenya oho na ye nshira okona toilet no so 7 periods so ifia paper ho sisi ho
and train say you ushers and say
ushers ya they are blessed
yeah
ushers be ya so osofo no ya osofo no Nyankopon nshira no. If you want to be rich, unless you be a giver, despite name oye is a giver. Scanibia. Especially when you say, Obia, just only be a fan, say be a Christian, only believer. Now, who give it to God that God has nothing to bless you.
Yeah.
What? Ne Christo ni na ono say one day one minute Bible ato ni yam ni say be previous an. No on give ya o be chelo because principle no e wo ho. Nyankopon nim say you are a Christian, but there's a
principle
rules and regulations. I also fast. You need to give. Men can say when Nyankopon ma 10 million and stand where you be there come Nyankopon, you are not ready.
Obi say obi beka say hey papa check cars because car no bo onye thing ti ebia ono baby a wadu no betimi ato car nti o dey ache nti enye live bia but you will be a
yes
ebia o watching no but ontimi nye akoma ye de cha de no enye obi a na obi.
The sources of your riches depend on how much you give, bro. No, so what I say, yes. See, will give you, and how rich you are. If you have and you don't give, you are not rich. Which shows that you are rich.
Do one
will give you, and you may say you are rich. If you can give 2 billion to this man, you can give 100 billion, you can give 100 Ghana to this man. That means you are rich. But if you give, and even though your bank is empty, you are rich.
Yeah.
Because so for Bible says, yes, or say givers never lack.
Okay.
No matter what, person Nyankopon favor, he bring people to you. Make sure you partner with Christ. You partner. Woman Nyankopon, it said last week, me kind was say, seek the kingdom. What is the kingdom? Seek the kingdom. First, you need to give. God gave. Whatever for God so loved the world that he gave. Nyankopon oma bibi and son bibi be ya man na me no mi no. Ya ye gift of righteousness I enjoy it.
Okay.
What must say?
Matthias pa.
God gives something. If God himself give to gain, how much more you? And he's telling you say if you want to be this, give.
And then when you give,
man can say when you 56 and ayobo every day me pa boy na say o ma me 10 million me ba be too tight me ba you order the little that you have give that little. That is the seed. Any seed that connection see the equal way so giving. People are giving, they are receiving more. They will give you cars, they will give you 1 car, the next will give you 3 cars. What is the secret? He gave and he gave more. Papa,
I for so you catch yourself Poleeno Multimedia. Your mouth tips free of charge.
That's right.
Because your chiro cars, your chiro ska how ska ed. Any chiro kwanya Bible naturally say open so unyi ska offers ukwa sorry say fan na atia no wato abo.
That's
air condition ye juma.
Top of man expect you be
na you washroom ayefia pepa.
Sisi ho.
Na nya min show. What you say? Na say ye papa reverend sorry I will check cars nyina no emfa say ono wanya busu nti no check cars.
Dabi.
Or check cars because on him the principles of making rich and I say making people happy. So what you say? Nti uhu a no ma also ayo fe na ahye okra den say erade boa me na me starting ma na me sumi ntimi nye kese sei. Oh emfa ahohia na say eya obi enka asem bi anyame befa so bi adome because ubetimi aka comment bi na no me ma wa
yeah
what you say because uhu scanner na say na nyame de adome but uhu scanner eya ofe wakoma mu unya bia ope McBrown can see me.
That's right.
Yeah, ma.
That's right.
Or say
Empress 1. That's right.
Also who will be can na no. En ka se nipa no wako na wako han ka na wako ji asomesika.
Yes.
And ade ehwe. Man nya ofe. Na ka se boss who can ni.
That's right.
Nice so.
Yes.
Nyame nsira me na mintimi nto ka ni bi.
That's right.
Enye ni bre.
Never.
Ji wakomam. Efinfi wakomam. Nama odon hye wakomam.
That's right.
Na hu nipa de a ema wani mbre emfa eni bre.
That's right.
When so bitimi hwe video he said birthday video no one liking it down. And ya me call obi so obi a comment say won so obi de ne be ya ba public for liking this video down. Because onye ono nipa kon so hu say onye benfo a dey nti na obi anye scanner ye ka ho asem na wa like video ne down. Ni bre ni bi no.
Oh yeah.
Nti we nipa ema otan nya be hye wakoma mu pe esi wonhira ho kwan. Na okakasa bi wo ho a etimi dome o. Poleeno Multimedia de onim say ye dey show na ebro no na yeso kakra yeso ye adwen kire na say ye nim de kire no na ye de ama na so wa fa bi de ahye okotokom se na be ya wo so be boa odada asetena. Bra enche ye free show no so
that's right.
Ede na opesa wo kafa reverend birthday no.
Oh
me bompa ye say reverend ye ono ankasa birthday dia. Papa we de wanimu a me kotum me mu ase kakra mo.
That's right.
Papa mbacho ye birthday a wadaroma Poleeno Multimedia crew no mbacho I invite ni sa mehwe ni so ade. Say enkra me no birthday mponi a. Papa nyamisha. Pacho de na wo kafa.
Edwen dia so dia be nsem pi.
Me ka me sure. Enti na me pesa me ko hwe bi no.
Na hu de ko.
Na me hu de.
De ka ni nyina en se bia.
Na Poleeno Multimedia.
Ma manfo nti se en se bia onye sika. Ana se wenye sika bebre. And maybe I will give it a little
you have. Say mama na wane ketu
e kutu baby. And I also get idea we are now we are. I didn't know see for back obi. You know the blessings are
be free
more there. Aba. Obi was me ma me nya bi no. E be our mentality no. O mindset no. So what must say? Onyankopon hwe the little that you have no worries why then. I should have been. Onyankopon hiro bia na onye obi akese. Na yempa abone se ye nyina ebe ya dwemfi afiri mu. Sebi obi nya sika pe yesi wakoji sikadro. O we de sikadro ni we. Fine. So unimo.
Betimi akoji.
Betimi akoji.
Papa.
And ye mongo. So what I say. Papa ntu so obi ko so am ye nyina yen support no. Na yenja negative no. I say you need negative no too much. Even your personal life for cry. We love negative things. Okasi obi nkan hiransem man ho a they don't like it. Omompe Second, she has some and found because Bible now can say guide your heart with all diligence. Guide your heart. Guide your heart. And then you might be an so man ko.
Yeah.
That means what I say. And what say what the one who cancer. What say mean what you say and say what you mean. Nyankopon ba wi aso oba ba jeje a. O ma jeje say bia we yashi. What come out of your mouth? You feel more than aba. And no one will be the baby attain. If you will know about to a moon cassa, and a bibian so in a realm of spirit and a master sound whole. Yeah, dear Fabi Biatra. The whole canon, a year Juma, the realm of spirit. Yeah, can I say? Realm of the spirit, yeah. Spiritual rhyme. Thank you. Spiritual rhyme. Spiritual realm. Sign your money happen to the audio. Another director, don't let yesterday. Don't. W. Grofna here canon. Director Beckham Grofna. I have found the song Besom. Dabby Beckham Grofna. What I come Grofna to 1 hour. Oh, you school Sunday. Oh, Grofna. Oh, to a Grofna. That will to a Grofna Benati. Ah, maybe to a mechanic special rema. Oh, to 1 hour or can we? Spiritual rare. My cousin spiritual rare. On you, anymore. I'm rapping. Only said the other one over can be in the spiritual realm. No, a year juma. What must say? A year juma. And when a before me night, my physical. If one can she that same, if I am not paying, tell yourself, say, I will make it in life. Christ in me, the hope of glory. I will make it. Yeah. I'm not empty. I carry something. Especially Christopher. I say, greater is he that lives in you than he that is in the world. It doesn't mean it's only 5 cities in Tino. You don't have anything.
Yeah, you have something great.
You have something great in you. It's a rhema. You need to voice it out now and bring into reality.
Okay.
What you want to see in life, and it's okay. Circumstances in the Bible. But what you want to see, now come Jesus Christ. Ebe friend say Yesu me ban wo. So that's something Yesu can.
Also, the Jimmy didn't wumpo benyamka.
Thank you. Straightforward, you can also ban we wada. Done why then?
Wada.
Nensu no nipa why then? No wo. I didn't think Yankopon can say wada because what God wants to see and then also He wants to see that boy, that girl alive. Into a so can say
the only thing
so okasi wo a wontimi nyane. Take him and koko ntimi nyane. But what you want to see and so call you upon. To call and was say sorry. And no sorry. Nyankopon twa ntora nipa ni so no obewu ni ntoro but eye no kre e ba ba dane ye den no kre nipa ni so no de omo we say Yesu kan nipa wu a doctor we na a check no so wada agwa we pa so wada okoya mpa so sorry o ma ni sorry won do Nyankopon situation na e ba no if you see say we are dead that you are dead but if you see say you can change it, you can change through your lips, your mouth. You can change any circumstances around you. Don't allow any circumstances around you to limit you. Irrespective of the level, you can make it in life.
Yeah.
And Obofour no, Rev Obofour no more. No move you baby. And so me here no be nyesika.
Ba onya esika ne ye hu no.
Ye hu no.
Ba the bread ye nim.
The bread ye nim tim ko hwe na tia kwansa kwa we kwa no ye hwan. Obofour is in with your TV with this spray ne mpabwa ho so to cash eye we no I at times no or reason we see a brepa na ese Nyankopon ehira na you does crazy things
the yinyame aye
we does crazy things we are tam car we know that chewe or tam car we know that chewe tam car we know that chewe
on check out
because we hu your friend saying me boss back one America your friend said there
okay
was so wa brepen is we billionaire on their cars America their cars e coach bremen na the whole world or worship the ko ba bia o kan ya no dia bro
me twa said there wadaro ma high Poleeno Multimedia here nice kind nti wadaro ma so tie nka say there yes o charge pa nti enkosi Christmas there say
can they open can they open
say there mpe car Kesibia Hyundai Santa Fe na say
akwa vision of fame say there na na kasa no
say there
America
and Ferrari
just thank you bra one chiro car for what must say Wose ono woni mbra wa bre nti wo hu obi so o bre saa na ye ne ya na ye ana especially say obi a wo hu say nipa nyina yine to twene ase mo ko competition no amanfo nyina ni wo so the last person no aya wo hu mo bro eno na aya o ye mo adoye okay say be oni we ni ba be ye pe o hu ni perception no na tsa nipa we ya de we yankopon nhira da bi yankopon nhira no
obi ma ne mfie so amen
obi so te wa sa we ye pe sa nhira even sa wanya ma nipa no adwen a wanya no kwa yankopon fa so ye den nhira no obi so wa o on fa mfie on kwa ade obi ye di asem kwasa se no be criticize kante no basa
na make a chom say san kase bi o wa ye no me but
thank you you want to be rich but you can nsemu no kire you understand we say yankopon mistakes we nhira no baby I was say go fast you nyans kan dia mfa ho was say bible say mani na bobom
enyina
enyo na abejeje onyankopon na njeje you know what are you doing
I say mo ye mpanyimfo ya mo ye celebs ya what the kind na enemafo ya o mo be
that's right
we be hu kwapia ni enko cha no won fan so o kwapia ntide so person o ye star
person so ye star
be na nyame e hira o
wo do hira amo ye star what I say
hu ni pa no oyin simia am hira mo na mo be ye bi ama yesu ye follow
yeah
inshira sem bi na be ka kire me kwan we na afa so na wo nim dia
no dia ama no but ye dey am pen sawo ye dey enisuo na we dey say we dey afem we dey say we say na ekoye den one kasa no dade na wo wetima ye ask yourselves the man ye opi wo ye we anye bia wetima chi we kan nipa no so odi bi odko bone bra abon wa man sika dwetire so on fan ko ye adwuma wa man o criticize no wo no eden na wa ye
what me acha obi 2 cd so
what me obi omo amota ye sa no so ko omo ncha de omo ncha de
o cha de anka on kasa
o no wanche ni tim den so what I say inshira nkoma don little sa kwa no upon sa nensemu no na oyo good say
yeah na me ka o say show yi a stand up herbal supplements and so ya say what in fie do enwotwen equal to do 9 that is 18 to 40 years no obetimi anom bi na odi aye adwuma waware nko ade a na eduro no de esa enwanwan se eye ejanka na nyame ma na sa vision no a odi ye eduro no enti odi kokoo ene hamama ene ye
papa
ma emma hoden ema otimi de ye adwuma
na
oyira nka se na akonma no kure so etoda akonma ni nso but
enam yes
anajo
na say seven produce oba nso de with me power na edura no pa oto aye ma opra bia ayeji ashama ko mama meto nyuma mo nyame wetima power na so wentima power edura no pa mpo atwa nko hwede o kire sise hwede o kire o sise ne so ebi madan yo ne so me fa wachi no
Enti sa on pesa obi be fa wachi ana so bi eno yire ebekwa ko nya ngita ho bia wani nje ho na wafre stand up herbal supplement na eduro no omama kama ne bo so da form ofro mo a opese o 2 tons so abetimi afro mo na watu no kama omde be ma fofofo na so aton edibi enya dwetre enti ene show no ye be wrap bra final words
me final words ne se yankopon hiro bia na yankopon yo bia akoma so ade ema no na youth no ye mfanto ya dwumu se de ye mpanyifo eye no ye ba be yatra okay omo rezi ban ye be ye bia to aso omo ye moye homode ne ye fo odo enante unua afrudua emfadua emhoneto piano emanenko no kodu a onso omreso a bebi a wadru no akwadru no obekwa atra obi estati si dan no osi dan ma ne ba so na obi de onsi ehwe so atase enti we start so auto foundation omo amowo soro no na omo soro no na we de da benda ye woto asase ko ebeto ye si ewie wo de 5 months enti omo ni ba eso no we si atra na ne de no ye more than one after almost say onyankopon eyodo ene ohun say musicians stars amanfo emekia memma eno enyodi emman nye okraya kra ni mum mane enye encourage you said your maye no also ba beye abruso eba na sa nyankopon ehira mo nyankopon ko bia mo sonfo kwa pia ni obetimi afolo mo YouTube kwa pia comedy kwa pia na QUAPPIAH me patcho me IG me fans for me sedam afa na bi IG no so ya kwa pia _5 QUAPPIAH mo follow me sedam
follow me wa IG beto screen
and a good screen so they mo
papa na me ka say director Don Little so betimi afolo no Don Little official with YouTube and Instagram so official Don Little na enyoma papa bia ye digu ho no wanya password eso na gina camera na chi password multimedia obetimi afolo ye so with YouTube na enyoma bia ye twa no on saka me amedi jumadi from I'm strong Poleeno there bye bye.